How to buy Leia token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the explainer. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. That's meaning investment in the safe place. The market cap of that token, as you can see, $12.3 million. The volume, it's $9.1 million. They have a good project for that. So to be able to buy this token, go to Radium first, as you can see. Now, after you open the website, what you need to do here, I will disconnect my wallet. Sorry, guys. Now, first of all, connect your wallet for that. Go and select your wallet. I will use the Bitkit. Now, if you don't see your token here, go back to that token page on the screener. Copy the token address from here. Go back to Radium. Click here. Make sure to select the Solana as a network. Place the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it, and you will be able to see it here. From the top, select the token that you have a fund on it on your wallet. For example, if you use the USDT. So after that, type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you will be receive of the token. After that, click on more info. Make sure to read all of that information here. And if you are ready to go, you can click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet via Radium. So this is how to buy Leia token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.